Let's tour the inside of this 2015 Forest River Legacy 360 RV together. This luxury diesel Class A motorhome is available now at RV Depot Supercenter. Starting in the main living area, you're greeted by opposing slide-outs that dramatically widen the center of the coach. There's an entertainment cabinet to the left of the entrance. And up front, both the passengers and driver's captain's chairs swivel around to become part of the living area. Along the driver's side, you have a comfortable sofa positioned directly across the entertainment area, creating a true lounge environment. Overhead storage keeps things organized. And the convertible booth dinette easily serves multiple purposes. Moving into the galley, the amount of pantry and cabinet space this coach offers means you actually have room for all the kitchen essentials. You also have a solid surface cover over the 3-burner cooktop and a large convection microwave above. Everything is positioned logically, so you can cook comfortably without feeling crowded. There's more than generous pantry storage all throughout the galley. The extra storage capacity makes it incredibly functional for full-time RV living or long vacations. Mid-coach is a half bath. This layout provides separation between the main living area and the rear bedroom suite, making the coach more comfortable when traveling with guests. And speaking of the master suite, there's a queen bed in its own slide-out, opening up the room and giving you easy walk-around access from both sides. All the way to the rear, the master bath provides a true residential-style setup with a large dual sink vanity, abundant linen storage, and a spacious shower with glass doors. From the private bedroom suite and massive rear bathroom to the spacious living area and functional kitchen, this coach was clearly designed for travelers who wanted luxury without sacrificing practicality. Ready for adventure? Find it now at RV Depot Supercenter.
You're still here? It's over. Go home. Go.